today we will learn more about the last element of art that we talked about, which was space. So we're going to learn 6 ways to create the illusion of space in art. First one is overlapping, and that is when you put shapes in front and behind each other. So on the left, that is a really good example of what overlap looks like, and on the right, it's when it's on the same plane, which means there's no overlapping and it looks really flat. The second technique is shading, which is one we've talked about a lot, so let's move on. Third is placement. So even though we're not adding anything to the background, where you place your object can add space. So look at those two. The one on the left shows a little bit of more space, or the illusion of space, than on the right when they're side by side. With sizing, making things bigger, smaller, even if they're not overlapping, that makes our eyes see some space too. And value and colors are used a lot for landscapes, so like atmospheric perspective. Dark colors are in the front, lighter colors in the back. And our last one is linear perspective, and that's when you have a horizon line, you put a dot on it, and then you draw following that line. On Wednesday, we'll talk more about linear perspective.